Officials urged residents to adhere to Los Angeles County's safer at home orders a day after public health officials confirmed that the swifter spreading B.1.7 variant of coronavirus was present in the county. Health officials reported 366 new cases of COVID-19 and 108 additional deaths on Sunday, January 17, bringing the county's totals to 662 cases and 848 fatalities. County health officials said, however, that the number of new cases reported Sunday reflects an undercount because of a lag from weekend reporting. As the death toll continued to climb, South Coast Air Quality Management District issued an emergency order Sunday, temporarily suspending some of its restrictions placed on the county's crematories to help them cope with the backlog in human remains caused by the deadly outbreak. AQMD permits contain limits on the number of human remains that can be cremated each month, to help control air quality, the agency said in a media release. The county's coroner and public health officials requested that the agency ease the limits. The county's morgue, as well as mortuaries and funeral homes, have grown weary, lagging behind the mounting death toll. Refrigerated trailers are now in use outside nearly every hospital in the county, to cope with the overflow as morticians labor to keep pace. Although the 1 million total of cases represents about 1/10 of the overall population, modeling released by the county this week estimated that as many as 1/3 of residents have actually been infected at some point, most likely without ever knowing it. The plateau in the number of hospitalizations stretched into another day. The number of coronavirus patients in county hospitals dropped from 7,597 Saturday to 7,498, with 23% in the ICU. After peaking at just over 8,000, hospitalizations have been inching downward in recent days. The county has a total of about 2,500 licensed ICU beds. On Saturday, the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health confirmed the first case of the COVID-19 variant B.7, the same variant discovered in the United Kingdom, in an individual who recently spent time in Los Angeles County. The individual is a male who traveled to Oregon, where he is currently isolating. The variant was confirmed by Quest Laboratories in Washington state. Although it is the first confirmed case of the variant in Los Angeles County, public health officials here believe that the new, more contagious strain is already spreading in the community, and are continuing to test samples. The reality is that the risk of contracting COVID-19 has increased with the presence of B.7 here in our community, said Supervisor Hilda Solis in a statement. This more contagious variant makes it easier for COVID-19 to spread. Any activity outside of one's household carries more risk of exposure now than ever before. The presence of the UK,